What is going on, guys, and good morning from Verdu Canyon. Yes, today we're going to be exploring Verdu Canyon. We're going to be working our way up to Joshua Tree and just explore what this land has for us. And I'm pretty excited. This is going to be the last trip of the year. What better way to do this than with my good friend Jason? So we're going to put these trucks to the test. We're going to do some exploring, grab a good bite. You already know the get down. Let's get into the video. The goal for today's video and for today's adventure is to simply just get out one last time before 2020 ends. Tomorrow will be New Year's Eve, and if you're watching this today, I just want to wish you a very happy New Year's, guys. And man, I'm telling you right now, the trip and the ride from Berdoo Canyon all the way to Joshua Tree has been absolutely beautiful. Now, there are some little areas where you might want to get off and just double check, make sure you are able to squeeze in, but for the most part, this is a beautiful scenic route. Alright guys, super sandy. It doesn't look as high, but believe me, it's a little high. So now it's up to Jason to see if his Jeep can make it up. We're gonna go up there, we're gonna get some good angles of him flexing. I don't know if he's gonna be releasing his front portion of the sway bar, but let's see. Man, but once we made it up, that little, little offshoot, I guess you can call it, we were greeted with a crazy view. Check this out, guys. Jeez, this is actually a really nice spot as well. I think about maybe 4 to 5 rigs fit here. Definitely a good spot that's gonna be going on my maps to come back and do some camping here. Enough said, let's keep going, let's keep exploring. So you might recognize this guy. Yes, this is Jason. He's been in plenty of my videos, and I consider this guy one of my best friends, not only in this off-road community, but even outside of it. Well, he recently went out and he purchased this brand new Jeep JL Rubicon. One neat thing about it is that it is a two-door, and this thing fits absolutely everywhere. Now, you also might recognize him because yes, he did have a third-gen Toyota Tacoma that he sold in order to purchase this vehicle. And let me tell you something, I'm a little jelly because this thing will outperform my Toyota Tacoma all day, every day. This is the awesome part about exploring random trails, is that you just never know what type of offshoots you're gonna hit and what kind of friends you're gonna run into. Let's check it out. Hell yeah, what's up, man?
Let's go.
Dude, looks sick.
Thanks.
So after being on the trail for about an hour and a half, it was finally time to settle down and do a quick stop to grab a quick bite. That's exactly what we did. We set everything up, and unfortunately, yes, I forgot the legs for the temple Tusk, but that didn't stop me. We still made it happen, and we made some bomb, and I'm telling you, some bomb carnita crunchy tacos. Now you already know we couldn't go without putting some of the spicy salsa that I do carry at all times. And after we ate, we had a little bit of fun. Let that B-roll kick in.
Body.
Before I end this video, I would like to thank each and every one of you guys for all your support. Who would have thought that this channel would be at 25,000 subscribers at the end of this year? And that is exactly where we're at today. Next year, 2021, has definitely great things in store for me, for you, for the channel, for all of us. So stay positive, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.